What is the refill and when is the best time to book your clients? Is it 2 weeks? Is it 3 weeks? Is it a month? Is 5 weeks? In this video, I'm going to explain you everything about refills, and I'm going to give you some tips and tricks on how to work with your clients and when you should book your next refill.
You're listening to the Time Lash Artist Podcast. If you want to jumpstart your lash career, you can also watch Cosme's free lash training at www.fulltimelashartist.com. Let's grow.
Hi, my name is Cosmina. I'm a certified lash artist and also I'm a lash trainer. And in this video, I'm going to give you my personal opinion regarding the refills and when is the best time to book your clients. Is it 2 weeks? Is it 3 weeks? Is it a month? Is 7 weeks? Now, I'm going to give you 3 tips, and everything that I'm going to share and everything that I'm going to explain, it's based on my regular clients and based on my experience. I've tried everything, I've tested everything, so now I have so many things that I can share with you and explain you what is the best and when is the best time to do your refills. Is it 2 weeks or is 4 weeks? Now, number 1, which I think is the most important when it comes to client and when it comes to refills: communication. Pre-consultation, before and after you finish your set. So the way I do here at Limitlashes, and I have some lashes here I'm going to explain you later. The way I do here with my clients, as soon as I have a client, I'm going to do a consultation explaining, everything about their natural lashes, what type of set we're going to create, what type of lashes we're going to create. I'm going to explain what type of set we're going to create, the expectations that they have. And then once I finish the set, I also do an aftercare consultation with them, explaining how to take care of their lashes, what is going to happen until I'm going to see her again. And the most important that you have to explain is how the natural lashes are growing. Believe me or not, people don't know that the natural lashes are shedding every day. People don't know that they're losing their natural lashes naturally every day. And once they get their lashes done, they may see, 2-3 lashes on their chest, on their, on their clothes, and then they're gonna text you and say, "Oh, I've lost 3 lashes today." That's amazing. That's your natural shedding. But of course you didn't see that before, because the natural lashes are blonde, are very invisible. You're not gonna see them like you see when you have extensions. So in this case, you have to explain what is the growth, why the natural lashes are growing, why the natural lashes are shedding, and why they have to come back for a refill 2 to 3 weeks. The best time for the natural lashes and for the retention to be amazing, 99% of my clients, they return back 2 or 3 weeks, not longer than that. Of course, every client is different and we are all different. If I have an amazing retention and I can stay 4 weeks, 5 weeks, that doesn't mean this client, she can also stay 4 weeks, because her natural growth is not the same as my natural growth. Now, how the natural lashes are growing and why the natural lashes are growing fast, I'm gonna give you the second tip. Explain your clients why the natural lashes are growing, and also ask them what are they taking.
If you got a passion for lashes, let me see it. It's time to level up. If you need me to, I'll teach you my 6-figure secret. Better believe it, 'cause I believe in you. You're listening to the Time Lash Artist Podcast. If you want to jumpstart your lash career, you can also watch Cosme's free lash training at www.fulltimelashartist.com. Let's grow.